I am going to be making a protein affogato today. So this recipe has two parts. So I'm going to make the ice cream and then we're just going to pour our espresso over the top of the ice cream. So for our vanilla protein ice cream, what you're going to need is 1 full scoop of the Happy Way protein powder. I've got a 1.5 cups here of frozen banana and a cup of ice. And I don't have the milk here because I forgot it in the fridge. I'm just going to come right back. Where's the milk? Oh, it's over here. Okay, and a dash of almond milk. Now, what we need to do to make it is we're going to pop the ice, the banana, the protein powder, and just a dash of milk into our blender, and we're going to blend it together until it's really creamy. So we're going to use this stick thing to really make sure that all the ingredients combine, because we want to add as little milk as we possibly can to make it really thick. So once that's done, we're going to pour it back into our bowl, and I'm just going to pop it into the freezer for about half an hour just to let it get a little bit more hard. And then we're going to scoop out some ice cream, we're going to pop it into a small cup, and then we're going to drizzle our espresso over the top.